Welcome to the greatest show on earth, nigga.
Cardo got wine.
Let no man say the way we create, nigga. Real shit. I'ma tell y'all some shit, nigga. You could have been a motherfucking fly on the wall, nigga, and still been a millionaire, nigga. Talking about, you know, nigga walking in, niggas working out the house, nigga, exotic cars in the lot, everything, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? Real shit, nigga. Millions on the floor, nigga. You know what I'm talking about?
If them birds could talk,
you talking about multi-million-dollar estates, nigga. With no furniture in the motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying?
if them birds could talk,
Niggas ain't been in the pool once, nigga, they don't give a fuck. 100 niggas standing in the kitchen, nigga, count money.
them birds could talk.
You know what I'm talking about? Y'all keep up, man, y'all listen up.
Gangsta
Let me see how
Party.
this shit go, nigga.
First
I
rap
got a
BT.
call from my nigga, he say them pigeons is in. I'm on my way, say no more. Hey, matter of fact, hold me 10. Hopped in my low-key Grand Prix. Hey, I ain't blinking, I'm focused. Had an adrenaline rush. I can envision them posters. Look like a scene off a blow. Some shit from behind the scenes. Type shit gon' make Channel 5. Cover of Fed magazine. Got the front yard looking like a dealership, like a Gallardo, came with the membership. $1 million house and not a couch in sight. Musta seen 100 units, not an ounce in sight. If you think that motivation, let me give you more. Millions stacked up like an air mattress. They must sleep on the floor. Them birds could talk.
Yeah. Nigga ain't never seen that shit, nigga. Paper stacked up like air
Them birds could
mattresses,
talk.
nigga. Real shit, I'm trying to tell you, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? Tupac on the motherfucking iPod,
Birds
nigga.
could talk.
Niggas run through that check, nigga. It's like a nigga endorsing Rolex or some shit, nigga. Everybody got one on. Shit crazy, man. Shit crazy.
We on top of the world, feel like that nothing can stop us. Type shit that had DEA across the street with binoculars. It's so much blow in that bit, you'll catch a contact from breathing. It's so much paper in that bit, you'll think that these niggas read. They got that Pac on blast, duffel bags on bags. It's like them next steps keep chirping. You gotta see this in person. Ain't got a lot of your homes, niggas on satellite phones. Now who the fuck do you know that turn the satellite on? I'm talking shit with the drums. It's like the clips got extensions. So many blunts in the air, look like a Swisher convention. If that ain't motivation, well let me give you some more. Paper stacked like air mattress, hey, I'ma sleep on the floor.
Nigga, you know what this
If
shit
them
is.
birds could talk.
Yeah. You niggas had no idea, man. Niggas pulling up to motherfucking club,
If them
nigga.
birds could talk.
$4 million car fleet, nigga. You know what I'm talking about?
If them
They
birds
talking about
could
making it
talk.
rain, nigga. Fuck you talking about, my nigga? Nigga.
If them birds could talk.
Nigga had a tsunami in that bitch, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking paper flying everywhere, nigga. Nigga, you don't know what that shit like, nigga. Partying and shit. Motherfucking feds standing next to you, nigga. No sleep, nigga.